Stop! That's the reason you sound slow, not because your English is bad. Today, I'm giving you 5 brain hacks that will stop this habit forever. And hack number 4 changed everything for my students. Let's go! When you translate, your brain does 3 jobs at once. Think in your language, translate the words, then speak. That's exhausting. These hacks train your brain to skip the first 2 steps completely. Ready? Hack number 1. Name what you see. Don't think about the word in your language first. Just look at an object and say the English word immediately. Lamp, cup, window, door. Do this for 60 seconds every morning. Simple. This trains your brain to connect the object directly to the English word. No translation in between. Hack number 2. Think in simple English sentences. Not big thoughts, just small ones. I am making coffee. I feel hungry. I need my keys. It feels strange at first, but your brain adapts fast, I promise. Hack number 3. Change your phone's language to English today. Yes, right now. Pause the video and do it. You already know these apps by memory, so your brain reads the English words without translating because you already understand the meaning. It's like free practice all day long. Hack number 4, my favorite. Stop learning single words. Learn whole phrases as one piece. Your brain doesn't translate word by word if it already knows the full phrase. So instead of learning can, get, coffee separately, learn can I get a coffee please as one chunk. Your mouth will say it automatically with 0 translating. Hack number 5. Talk to yourself in English for just 5 minutes every day. Describe your day, your plans, even your breakfast. Nobody is listening, so don't worry about mistakes. This is the fastest way to train your brain to produce English directly. No translating, just speaking. Let's remember all 5 hacks. 1. Name what you see. 2. Think in simple English sentences. 3. Use your phone in English. 4. Learn phrases, not single words. 5. Talk to yourself for 5 minutes a day. Amazing! You now have 5 brain hacks to stop translating and start speaking English naturally. Pick just one hack and start today. Small steps every day build real fluency. But before you go, I have a question for you. Which hack will you try first? Write the number in the comments below. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. I read every single comment, and I would love to know which hack you'll try today. If this video helped you, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for a new English lesson every week. And share it with a friend who translates too much. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and keep speaking English.